just let her sleep. She's been annoying. They have Winston now. What?
Winston?
Oh, she almost died.
And also they have an Echo. Huh.
Okay, Widow's running away. Why are both healers here?
It's go time.
Oh, she's almost dead.
No, she fucking cleansed! She has a cleanse!
Oh my
Oh
god.
no, just kill her! Kill her! The fucking gnat did it!
Back.
Wow.
You're safe with me.
You owe me your life.
What about mine?
I only have one Suzu.
Thanks, Dr. Ziegler.
Let me balance you out.
You're a lifesaver.
Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. Medicine.
Okay, got her.
No one can stop me.
Where's their mercy? Okay.
Dead.
The Junkrat is almost dead. Correction, he's dead.
What's up?
Dang it, she got away. Oh, they... She
They have an
switched.
DPS hitting
She
you.
switched
That's
to...
DPS passive.
Yeah, they went Reaper. They were like, yeah, no, this Winston's too much.
Let the Kitsune guide you. Heroes never die.
The other game is 1930.
Oh, they're sad. They're sorry. I just was literally one touch.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh my god.
Can I get a heal, please?
I am dead.
Have you tried not being dead?
I've tried, but I mean,
And it struggles with that a lot.
My ultimate is charging. This track
oh, yeah.
Okay, damn, I didn't even mean to call you out, but still.
Confusion.
We stay confusion. Anyways.
There's a key, Larry.
Reaper behind.
Right behind.
Fire at will.
Wait, where'd you aim at? Oh shit.
Where are the enemies?
Oh, it's supposed to.
No!
Oh my god, wait, it's supposed to.
Okay, that's weird. She's able to. Someone is able to shot my drone whenever, even when he's hiding.
I'll keep trying till I run out of limbs.
I love everyone here. Is that so wrong? No?
I'm on fire.
Fire confusion.
Nothing wrong with that.
Rally to me.
Here I go.
Left.
Aiming's overrated.
Funny fun.
Oh, loco truck stop? Oh, I see. Nice, nice.
Yay!
Nice.
I work as bait, to be honest. I didn't kill anyone.
Yeah, I'm
Sachi
just...
does, Sachi does work as a good bait because he's like, guys, don't kill me. I'm such a silly girl.
I popped my super behind them and they started chasing me and it was like, let's take that guy. And it's like, yeah, let's take me. The rest of my team is coming from behind.
I literally can just hear heel clicks on Sachi run.
Just trying to move so people can see my ultimate charge. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I just chose Farah because, like, I don't know.
Just be careful with a widow.
I mean,
Yeah, that I could easily deal with her.
I mean, listen, Farah's funny.
I was
flying.
playing Genjo before.
flying lady. Let's go.
Oh, they have a Yardi. I'm trying to see the health thing. I don't see it though. It's like LOS for me. Oh, they moved it. Oh shit.
I think I'm getting into Bastion more.
They don't have anything. They have the